Hi guys, in today's video we are going to be cleaning the plant shelving as well as some plants that I have in my kitchen, the ladder propagation as well as the plants on top of the cabinets. So yeah, that is what we're going to be doing today, is just pretty much just cleaning the plants, the shelving, and taking care of all that, because there's like dead leaves around the plants and there's also like water around it, like just water. I don't know what you call it. There's just like dry water on the furniture, which is never good. Although I'll show you further on that the wood is um, okay, and I don't mind it for it to get damaged. But so yeah, so let's just go ahead and get started, and so that way our plant shelving could look so much better. Okay, so before we get started, I just want to show you a before, because I like to do before and afters. And so here is the disgusting, dirty shelf that I have under here. I don't know why there are bottle caps under there. And there's like leaves in there. There's some water as well. And then this is the second, the middle part. It's just like dead leaves in there. And this is what I was talking about, the wood. I don't mind if water gets on it, like, for it to get like water damage or anything, just because, it comes out easily, and it's not, what would you call that? Like, this is like unfinished wood. And there's more down there, as you guys can see how dirty and disgusting it can get. Now, don't get this wrong. This is not from the water. This is just how the wood looks. We're going to remove all the plants from this shelf, so that way it is just an easier process. All right, so I'm just going to literally just throw this on my floor. Anyways, I'm going to sweep it all up anyways. But I'm just going to dust and clean this off with the rag as best as I can. Just put this in like compost soil. Gross. Okay, and then here I'm just going to be using cleaning vinegar. It's just so easier and less opponent, like it doesn't smell too bad. So I'm just gonna spray it and then just let it sit for, I don't know, for a few minutes. Maybe like 1 minute or two. That way it can sanitize the area. We're done with this shelving. Now it looks, or I actually put everything back where it goes, only because I don't know how to explain this. Like, okay, for an example, on the bottom, so that way, I'm so lazy, you guys, but it's for the plants that I less water, that doesn't need that much attention from me. So that is on the bottom shelf. And then of course, like working on the top is I have like the trees and things of that sort on the top, and then like the plants that need most care in the middle. But so yeah, let's just go ahead and give you a closer look on how our shelves are looking. And I have to say, I am so happy that they are clean and fresh, and well, they look a little bit sad. I'm going to water them as soon as this video is over. But so here's the after. Oh, it just looks so much better and cleaner. Okay, right here is the kitchen of the ladder, the propagation station. So we're also going to be cleaning this as well because it is really, really much needed. So here is the before. So gross. And then because this is a propagation station, sometimes the water, because I don't have like trays underneath this, so when I don't fully let it dry out in the sink, they still release water. So that is why I have like water stains on my wall. So we're gonna have to clean that as well because that does not look pretty at all. All right, so now I'm done with the propagation station and I am in love with it, especially the wall part. Like you can tell there's no yellow stains on the wall. It just looks very, very beautiful in my opinion. But look at this, you guys. Like I just love a clean, beautiful plant shelving here. It just makes the plants even look more beautiful. Okay, now we are literally on top of my cabinets. And this is in my kitchen on top of my cabinets. It also looks pretty gross up here and dusty, so we're just going to clean that as well. And my plants are a little bit thirsty. well, a lot thirsty, and we'll get to them as soon as they have a clean shelving. It doesn't look too bad, but I would just feel much better if their home was a little bit more cleaner. Alright guys, so we finally reached the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I have nothing else to say except I love you guys, and I will see you on my next video. Bye. Thanks guys.